today. I'm on fire today. I'm on fire today cause I'm drinking my ass off. Getting up, fucked up. I'm getting fired today, getting fired tomorrow, getting fired today.
I never will forget him, for he made me what I am.
Okay, when we start singing ding-a-ling, ding-a-ling, that's when we should all start kind of getting together. All start getting together.
Don't be a ding-dong.
Yeah, that's when we
sing along. Well, time to take a shower and get ready for tonight. When I was a young boy, life was great. But as you age, it gets difficult and strange. Everything costs so much goddamn money. It's a miracle I'm alive. That asteroid is coming, and it's gonna get us. No one will survive. If I get the big money, I'll be out of here. So take it easy. 1, 2, 3.
Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by. And that has made all the difference.
Simple.